सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे IEX शेयर्स के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो IEX शेयर फॉल 11% फ्रॉम हाई। नेक्स्ट मार्केट couplings here in APTEL on January 19. APTEL is supposed to hear the market coupling calls at 10:30 a.m. The tribunal had said that if there are clear view expressed, the case will be heard and wrapped up on Friday itself. Share of IEX are witnessing extreme swing on Friday, January 9, as the electricity appellate tribunal has now decided on January 19 as the next date for hearing the market coupling case. The stock, which traded with gain of 6% before the hearing, fell over 12% from high to trade with losses of over 4% before recovering. All of those losses and returned to positive territory due to the uncertainty surrounding CERC withdrawing the order. The stock fell over 6% again. Ahead of the hearing, the CERC issued a circular starting dates the July 2025 order should be treated as a direction and not an order. At the start of hearing, APTEL has sought clearly from the CERC on the withdrawal of the coupling order, to which the CERC lawyer has sought more time to respond on withdrawing the order. APTEL has observed that the CERC has to work as an independent body and raised above suspension. The tribunal also said that it will be holding on inquiry if there is anything else within the regulator and if something has been done to address the issue. The tribunal also urged the CERC to show some urgency is getting its house in order. IEX has told APTEL that a correndum has been issued by the CERC to turn the couplings order into the direction, adding that it is strange that an order has been passed retrospectively when the case is still pending. The CERC gone on to tell APTEL that they are not processing on market coupling without regulation making and that they are not even at the stage of the draft regulation being issued. To this, APTEL said that once a regulation are made, the exchange can always challenge the regulation in case of concern. IEX has told APTEL that the CERC does not need couplings order to make a regulation and that the order must go. Share of IEX are currently trading 4.6% lower at 143.13.